today we are sorting words by their beginning sounds. Our words will begin like soap or bear. Seal. Does seal begin like soap or bear? Soap. Good. So we will move it to the soap side. Bell. Does bell begin like soap or bear? Bear. So we'll move it over to the bear side. Bike. Does bike begin like soap or bear? Bear. So we'll move it to the bear side. Sidewalk. Which side? Soap. Good. Banana. Which side? Bear. Good. 6. Which side? Soap. Bat. Which side? Bear. Good. Make sure you're giving me your answer. Ball. Which side? Bear. Sock. Which side? Soap. Sun. Which side? Soap. Boy. Which side? Bear. Sad. Which side? Soap. All right, now we have 2 new columns that we're going to sort by. Our words will begin like queen or wave. The first one we have is water. Does water begin like queen or wave? Wave. So it will go on the wave side. Question. Does question begin like queen or wave? Queen. So it will go on the queen side. Win. Win. Which side? Wave. Quilt. Which side? Queen. Wig. Which side? Wave. Whale. Which side? Wave. Quail. Which side? Queen. Quarter. Which side? Queen. Waterfall. Which side? Wave. Quiet. Which side? Queen. Worm. Which side? Wave. Quick. Which side? Queen. All right, now we're on to part 2. We have a new sound to learn today. First, listen while I make the sound. Now I want you to make the same sound, and while you do, I want you to think about what your mouth is doing and what you feel. Ready? Good. I feel my lips doing something when I made that sound. My top teeth touched my bottom lip. And I could feel some air leaking out over my lip. I also felt that it tickled my lip and my throat was vibrating. That's my voice. Can you feel it? Good. We have a new friend hiding in our mystery bag today. Now, if we can guess what animal he is, he'll come out. I'll give you a clue. The name of our animal starts with the sound V. He can fly very high in the sky. The color of his feathers can vary, but he doesn't have feathers on his head. He eats leftovers of other animals. He is a vulture. Do you hear and feel when you say vulture? Now let's watch a short video about our friend and see if we can guess what his favorite sound might be.
Hi, I'm Vincent the Vulture, but my friends call me Vinny. I'm from Virginia Beach, Virginia, and I like to go on vacations. My favorite sound is V.
Good. Now I'm going to play a short story about our new friend. Make sure that you're listening very carefully for his favorite sound V. Pay attention because later I will ask you some questions about our new friend.
Vincent is a vulture from Virginia Beach, Virginia. I'd say his friends call him Vinny, but there's one problem. Vinny has no friends. The others thought vultures were dirty, vicious, and ugly birds. It's true that Vinny had a velvety head with no feathers, but he was very kind and very clean, vacuuming up messes that others left behind. Vinny was so very sad and lonely until he met Vivian, another vulture who valued his friendship. Now the two vultures go on vacations to see volcanoes in Venezuela.
Did you notice that a lot of the words in Vinny the Vulture's story started with his favorite sound, V? Let's try to remember some of the things we've heard about our new friend, Vinny the Vulture. All of our answers will start with Vinny's favorite sound, V. Is Vinny a hawk or a vulture? Vulture. Does Vinny's head feel velvety or rough? Velvety. Do other birds think Vinny is friendly or vicious? Vicious. Does Vinny clean up by mopping or vacuuming? Vacuuming. Where do Vinny and Vivian go? On vacation or to work? Vacation. Nice job. Now, Vinny picked out some of his favorite things to tell you about. We're going to play a game called Pick and Choose. I will tell you 2 things that Vinny might pick as his favorite. Let's see if you can choose the right one. Here's a clue. All of his favorite things start with his favorite sound. V. Let's all say Vinny's favorite sound together. V. Good. On Vinny's favorite holiday in February, he makes heart-shaped cards. Which holiday does Vinny love? Halloween or Valentine's Day? Valentine's Day. Vinny has a favorite color. It's also the name of a very sweet flower he gives to Vivian. Is it a rose or a violet? Violet. Vinny flies straight up to the top of a volcano. Which direction is his flight? Vertical or diagonal? Vertical. Vinny plays music on an instrument with strings. Is it a fiddle or a violin? Violin. Vinny wears a jacket that has no sleeves but keeps him very warm. Do you think it's a vest or a coat? Vest. Vinny sees many vendors selling food at the marketplace. Can you guess which foods Vinny might like the very best? Which meat? Pork or veal? Veal. Which produce? Vegetables or fruit? Vegetables. Vinny wants some pasta. Which kind will he get? Vermicelli or spaghetti? Vermicelli. What will Vinny buy to make a very tangy salad dressing? Syrup or vinegar? Vinegar. He also buys something he takes once a day to stay healthy. Is it candy or vitamins? Vitamins. After shopping, Vinny stops for ice cream. What flavor does he choose? Chocolate or vanilla? Vanilla. Vinny is a very active vulture. Let's see if we can choose Vinny's favorite actions. By the way, there's a special name for action words. They are called verbs. Does Vinny like to stay home alone or visit? Visit. It's time for Vinny to clean his nest. Does he like to dust or vacuum? Vacuum. Vinny wants to help choose a new governor on election day. Does he decide or vote? Vote. Vinny takes a long vacation on a ship. Does he cruise or voyage out to sea? Voyage. A few more. Vinny offers to clean up at the veterinarian's office. Does he volunteer or complain? Volunteer. Vinny plucks the strings on his violin. Does he make them sing or vibrate? Vibrate. Good job thinking about our new sound V and our friend Vinny the Vulture. Now, for part 3, you're going to do this part as a response on Seesaw, but I'm going to introduce it to you first. So, you will have 4 different images. The first one is a wig. Now, we're going to see if we can come up with some rhyming words on our own. Let's look at this first picture together. Wig. I want you to think of words that rhyme with wig, like vig, wig, vig. Our rhyming words don't have to be real words. Vig rhymes with wig, but it's not a real word, which is okay. Remember, words rhyme when their middles and ends sound the same. Only the first sound changes. So all of the words that you come up with will have to end with ig, just like wig. Now, you're going to respond on Seesaw by clicking the record button and recording words that rhyme with each of the following pictures: wig, cat, pen, and pan. You can find the directions in the direction part on your Seesaw post.